Heat energy is in everyday living, like cooking, exercising, and heat given off by the sun. Heat energy is the flow of energy from a warm object to a cool object. They can be in different forms such as solid, gases, or liquid. Tiny particles called atoms are in motion. When they bump into each other or vibrate, they create an energy called heat, which is present in all matter. Along with heat energy comes heat expansion. Heat expansion is when the molecules will start separating farther and farther, creating heat. When it is colder, the atoms tend to come together. Heat can be measured by temperature. Temperature is a degree of the heat and how hot or cold it is.
Let's have a race. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness, so tired.
Because Kayla's bigger, she gives off more heat when she exercises. The bigger you are, the more heat you will give off when you move. There are 3 ways of transferring heat energy: convection, conduction, and radiation. Convection is the transfer of heat energy through the air. For example, a radiator will take cold air and make it hot air and transfer it throughout the room. Conduction is the transfer of heat energy through direct contact. An example of conduction transfer of energy is cooking. When the pot is on top of the hot stove top, heat is being directly transferred, making the pan hot as well. Radiation is the transfer of heat through heat waves. For example, when you are sitting outside and the sun is bright, you are experiencing radiation transfer of energy. The sun rays are hitting your skin, causing you to heat up. Heat also occurs with friction. Friction is the movement of one object against another. Heat comes from within you as well. Friction, for example, occurs if you rub your hands together for a long amount of time. When you do this, you will feel heat increase. We need heat energy every day to live. We need it to keep warm and also for practical reasons such as cooking. The definition of heat energy is the flow of energy from a warm object to a cool object. 3 ways to transfer heat energy is through convection, which is through the air. We have conduction, which is by direct contact to a hot object, or radiation, which is by direct contact from UV or sun rays.
It was brought to you by heat, because without heat, you'll get cold.